Just a rainy, wet day today. Real cloudy. I think I'll go inside and find something to do. Oh, friends. Man, oh man, I'll tell you what, you get that emphysema with COPD. You're not gonna hang around outside in a cool damp air too much. I gotta be real careful with that too, you know, so spend a lot of time in the house in the winter and on them rainy days, unless I'm over there in the barn or something, but show you what I'm up to in here today. You seen the other day, looking good. I got this thing out of the cabin the other day. I made this knife a long time ago. And I was crossing a creek last year, and it was about waist high. And I got that thing soaking wet, and I hung it in the cabin and forgot about it, and it dried out, and it was dry as a bone. So I know this is reverse on you, but put a little saddle soap on there. It'll liven that leather back up, make it just as soft. Let me show you how to do it. And I forgot to mention, anytime you're going to work on your knife, your leather case, whatever, you take it all out of that, take it all out of the sheath, everything, put everything in water, give it all a bath, clean it up real good, and then let it dry, and then put the saddle soap on it. Let's take a little of the saddle soap, rub it in there as good as you can get it. You want to try to fill up those, right there where the stitching's at. Try to put a good coat on there. Rub it in good. Like I said, put the wax. You want to fill that up with wax if you can get it. And get this little one right here. We can, just a piece of wood or anything to really rub it down in there. You can kind of see. Fill that gap up there, and you know what I mean. You want to seal her up as good as you can there. All right, now that's about all I got for you. We got her all done, and looking really good. We got a ferrule rod right there. We have what's called a knot pick. It's right here. Pull it out for you. Knot pick, in case you get your rope in a knot. Let me pull the ferrule rod out. Little bitty thing there, but we like to carry it, this knife, and show you what the knife looks like. Call this knife the bad boy right here now. And also we carry this, I forget what they call this, this line right here, this rope. But this piece of rope right here was about 10 bucks, believe it or not. It was a little longer than that, but man, it was expensive. That right there. Here we go. I modeled this knife after the knife there Tom Brown Jr. had. The Tracker. Just modeled after it. It's not like the Tracker. I seen one that a guy made the other day. The guy that made it for Pater, he did a good job on it. Well, real quick, I gotta be truthful about it. The leather belt just wasn't holding up. You can see that it cracked pretty bad. And we're just gonna take the buckle off and make a new belt, perhaps. Let me say God bless to you. Thanks for coming by and watching the video. And we're hoping to get out here in the next few weeks. Hope the weather holds up nice. And let me say you have a good day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Real quick, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I know it's reversed probably on the video, but saddle soap works really good with almost any kind of leather. It's nice and creamy, goes on really smooth, wipes off easy, and penetrates the leather.